How to make a composting worm bin. These are some supplies to get started. We are going to drill 15 half-inch holes on the lid. A useful tip is to start by using a smaller drill bit first. Then follow using the bigger drill bit. Flip the lid and duct tape an old piece of screen. This will keep the flies from laying maggots in the compost bin. The holes provide oxygen to the worms. Remove any tape or stickers from the cardboard. Rip up the cardboard into little pieces. Then put it in a shredder. Pour the shredded cardboard and paper into the bin. Wet down the paper and pour out the extra water. Mix the cardboard and paper. The holes in the cardboard will aerate the worm bin. Add more cardboard so there's more cardboard than paper. Mix it together again. The moisture level should be like a wrung out sponge. Put a handful of compost into your new bin. If you don't have compost, then buy worms and bedding. 1 pound of worms should be enough. The compost helps the worms to live in their new home. After mixing in the compost, add the worms to the bin. We recommend composting with red wigglers.